Next up, the 2F Director's Office Card. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This key or key card is used on a TV station on the second floor all the way down on the far south side of the map. Zooming in here, this is where we're going. It's a hotspot, so it's going to be super dangerous and possibly even looted by the time we get there. I'm coming in from the stairs here. I'll head up, around, down, and towards it right here. Let's do it. Heading upstairs through the manager's office. We'll turn left here, and here you go. This is the room that we're getting into. Inside of here, to the back right, we have the director's office. So, inside of this room, all the way at the very far back, there's this door over here. So, right here, inside of here, swiping keycard, we get this little room over here. So, inside of this room, we have a tactical accessories crate, which in my case had these items. Then, a safe over here, which had quite a bit. Not too bad, but I've had better. And besides that, there's maybe some loose loot, but that's really it. It's a safe, a small box, and some loose loot here. Anyways, super quick guide, you'll probably find more loot inside of the director's office than in this small back area. So, for example, right outside here, we have this timed safe, and inside of it, probably some good things. Well, even better things inside of this military computer next to it, apparently. So you definitely probably don't need this key. Oh, wow. I'll take that. Well, that just completely eclipsed my winnings from the key room. Anyways, this is locked down, so loot is going to be kind of crazy. That's really crazy, though. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.